Back here on Justin's 2-barrel, already assembled his brand new fresh float for roundy round purposes. So that's in. Gonna get our kit open here, do our needle and seats, get our idle stuff in our metering block, get everything else set up, and basically have everything ready to go. So when we drill these out, we just drill it, put the new ones in because these are a little effed, and away we go. All right, got our little accelerator pump check valve in, our accelerator pump spring, and our gasket with diaphragm. Put that on. Kit does come with one for 50 as well, because sometimes people like to run a 50. So we're just gonna start that. All right, tighten that up. And then we'll do our needle and seat. Okay, got our needle and seat in, and this kit comes with the real nice plastic reusable seals. Oh god, so much better than the paper shit. So I'm just running this down and then kind of flip it over. See, we can adjust that height. Want to go down a little bit more, obviously. So my rule of thumb, especially on like a circle track carb, I try to get the top of the float just under the center of the sight hole. So I'm gonna go maybe a quarter turn more and call that good. All right, so that's all set. We're gonna put our screw in. We're gonna grab it. Wrench on the flats, tighten this down, and we're all done there. All right, there you can see top of the float just under halfway on the sight. Perfect. That helps you kind of see it a little bit too. But man, it looks good. All right, so we've got a new power valve. I put a 4.5 in there. It's got our jets back in it. Same jets we had. There's your 4.5 power valve. New idle mixture screws are in on both sides. I'm gonna run them out. I haven't bottomed out all the way right now. I'm gonna run them out 2 full turns, which is a good starting point. I know once Justin gets this thing running, gets temperature in her, then he needs to adjust gently accordingly. Once it's above about 160, quarter turn out, quarter turn in, until it gets the best RPM possible. Then adjust your idle speed screw accordingly. So for all intents and purposes, that much of the carb is done. I will have the helicoils tomorrow, so I can finish this up, and then we're done. Here's a little public service announcement, boys and girls. When putting the bowl screws back in, just a reminder, all you have is about 4 threads, especially if we're using the reusable nice plastic bowl screw gaskets. So be very gentle tightening this up. We can get longer ones, but that's not necessary. Just gotta helicoil all of them again and be very, very, very gentle. Doesn't take much to get it on there and stay. But yeah, that much is done.